Hello, class. Wahusika.
Today we're starting our journey into Swahili storytelling by talking about characters. In English, we call this person or animal or creature a character.
In Swahili, we say muhusika for one character and wahusika for more than one character.
Think about your favorite story, a movie, a book, or something you made up yourself. The hero of that story, the person the whole plot revolves around, has a special name. We call that person the main character. In Swahili, that's muhusika mkuu. Mkuu means main or important, so literally, the important character.
But stories aren't just about one person. There are also side characters who support the main character. Friends, family, helpers. We call these supporting characters. In Swahili, wahusika wasaidizi, from the verb kusaidia, meaning to help.
And no story is complete without tension. Many stories have someone standing in the main character's way, an opponent, a rival, a villain. In English, we call this the antagonist. In Swahili, we say adui, which really means enemy, but in storytelling refers to whoever creates conflict for the main character.
So here's our vocabulary so far. Character, mhusika. Characters, wahusika. Main character, mhusika mkuu. Supporting character, mhusika msaidizi. Antagonist/enemy, adui.
Now that we know who our characters are, let's learn how to describe them. In English, you already do this all the time. My character is tall and brave. Swahili works a little differently, so let's look at the pattern.
Many Swahili adjectives that describe people start with M for one person and change to wa for more than one person. This matches the word for character itself. One character is muhusika. Many characters are wahusika. Notice the M becomes wa. Adjectives often follow that same shift. Here are some useful adjectives for describing characters. Tall, mrefu, one, warefu, many. Short, mfupi, wafupi. Kind, mkarimu, wakarimu. Clever, mwerevu, werevu. Brave, jasiri, stays the same for one or many. Cowardly, muhoga. Bad, mean, mbaya. Strong, mwenye nguvu, literally one who has strength.
You'll also need two small but important words, yeye, meaning he or she, and ni, meaning is or am.
So he is brave becomes yeye ni jasiri.
Let's put it together. Imagine your character is tall and kind. In Swahili, yeye ni mrefu na mkarimu. The word na simply means and, so literally, he, she is tall and kind.
Now it's your turn. Think about a character from a story you already know. Maybe one you've written yourself in English. Ask yourself, is my character mrefu or mfupi?
Try writing one simple sentence, just like you would in English, but now using what we've learned. Muhusika wangu ni your character's name. Yeye ni adjective na adjective. You should be able to take a character you already imagined in English and give them a whole new voice in Swahili describing who they are, just like you always do in your stories.